billions of birds. There's billions and billions of birds. But it's like a trillion of them.
They probably animatronics.
Hey, what? But where are they coming from? But the sky is just full of billions of birds. And people walk around like this normal. Like, what the crap? There's billions out there. That's a lot. Oh, look, they come from over this light. What the? They come from here somewhere.
The light?
By these trees.
Oh. Every time I look, oh my God, it looks like it's running.
It's like it's a wave of them.
Yeah,
It's just like billions and billions are coming.
Let's go. Try that to fall.